The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. Yesterday was something, wasn't it? Market just exploded. We'll look at that here in a minute. And look what the markets did overnight, shall we? So NQ, all right, let's start with ES. ES coming down some since the evening open. 47.97, no, 47.98 was the high. It's dipped down to 47.77, so about 21 points in range. You can see here from bottom to top yesterday, ES went from 47.15 all the way up to 48.01, 86 points. NQ, same thing. Bottom was 378, went all the way up to 811. So 430 or so points. Has come down some since to this trading day open. 790 the high. Looks like the low is 683, so dipped about 100 points. Copper's been dipping about 100 ticks. Gold inside it. Actually, oops, I have that wrong spot there. So about 11 points there. Ultra Bond dipping. Also had a good day yesterday, you can see. About a point and 6 ticks, so about 38 ticks in range. Crude oil rising up. She made a new high day since I moved that yellow line. About a little over 2 points in range there. Natural gas has been, I can't see what natural gas has been doing, rising up. And last but not least, Bitcoin, expecting their spot ETFs to be approved maybe tomorrow. Hanging about 46.5. That's where we sit. Stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Where's everybody? No one's saying anything yet. And while I was doing that, we missed a dip down. But that's okay. Dip. Coming down, just broke through that 100 EMA. Music. I realize I don't have any music. I feel good. Still coming down. So nice little move down here. It'll pop back up. Yep, blue candle went away. Purple candle coming back down. If it holds, we'll take it. ATR is about 4.5. Nope, back up. We're long. Should have got it right when that candle opened. I was late as usual. Looks like it's getting beaten down. Hey, John, how you doing? It's good to hear. It's gonna come back down. See where this goes. I don't know where it's going. I don't know where it's going, but it looks like it wants to come down. Oh yeah, news. What news do we have this morning, if anything? 8:30 Canadian trade balance and U.S. trade balance. That's pretty much it. Fed speaker later in the morning after the stream ends. Oh, there we go. Nice rise up. Kind of getting to those EMAs. You see those EMAs kind of intersecting there. So let's put a target there. Let's see if it comes back up for us there. Look, should have had my target there to begin with, I guess. I probably just lost the opportunity. It bounced off those EMAs and coming down. But let's see. Morning, Kevin. Good morning, JC. How you guys? All right, might give me a second opportunity here. Let's just put both of our targets there for now, and we'll just see what happens. I'm doing good, thank you. That's another blue candle, actually. Stop below there. So right now we have a small stop, small target, and it logs me out. Nice. There we go. Boom. Oh, there we go. Target hit. So we got 3 points on that. So we got $120 trade to start the morning. Worked out pretty well. Probably should have kept the second target up higher, especially after getting that other blue candle there, but live and learn. Yeah, that rise up. Continue to try and push up. How did everyone do yesterday? Did you? Easy for me to say. Anybody catch that? A lot of that move up, and Q went up over 400 points. Any green day is a good day, though. Hello. Please correct me if I mispronounced that. Bakal? I'm sorry, Maycall? Bennett? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Since I don't recognize your name, I'm going to assume you're new. Push it back down a little bit. Oh, wow. Awesome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you here. Oh, wow. Quick pullback. So went up and went right back down. It's our low day. Low day 683. So we're still about 23 points above that. You a futures trader, Maycall? Ultra Bond opens here in a couple minutes. What's it doing? What's it doing? All it wants to do is have some fun. Coming down a little bit. Still pushing down. Up, I should have grabbed that. That was a green candle band. Yeah, easy for me to say. Green candle band bounce. Say that 5 times fast. But it popped up by 4 so far. So if it goes 5. Yeah. So yeah, we could have got a 5 out of that. I just didn't move fast enough. There's the Ultra Bond open. Let's see. Our Treasury's open, not just the Ultra Bond. Not really popping either direction. Hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. ATR still under 4. I mean, under 5, sorry. So we're just looking for 5-point moves here at this point in time. Another bounce off the band. Not bands, EMA. I'm just saying everything wrong today. Another pop. Can't get, there's a blue candle there. I don't like that. Wicks at both ends like that. So how is Uruguay, or yeah, Uruguay? I hope I pronounced that right. How is Uruguay today? Javon continues to come down here after its market opened. Crude oil continuing to rise, new daily high. Gold pushing downward. Purple candle back down. Kind of serpentine. There's a big word for you. Serpentine. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Helps the YouTube algorithm know that you like me, and thus it recommends me to other people that might like me. And we all like being liked, or at least I think we do. Blue candle, possible bounce. Back down. Another try. To have a small bit of news coming up here in a couple minutes. U.S. trade balance, Canadian trade balance. I don't think this moves the market. Good morning, John. Any trades yet this morning, John? Dude, should have stayed dirty. No. Let's see. Did you miss anything? Yeah, that one big boost there. Yeah, that's. Yep, and I just totally wigged on that purple candle there. Oh, maybe it was good. I did. Boom. So we got back down to 700, 16,700. So we've dropped over 100 points from yesterday's high. You know, it's trying to bounce. And actually, I don't think that's a low day anyway. We already have dropped the 100 points from yesterday's high. Well, yeah, 83 is the low. And back down. So not a big move on the news there. Popped up a little bit, but coming right back down. And we're continuing to push down now. So I hesitated on that because we are so low already, but probably shouldn't have. Maybe a bounce here. We're long off that green candle, bounce off the bands. Excuse me. Did you just get within? You got within one tick of my target and you pull back? How dare you? NQ. Wow. One tick of my first target and now it's coming back down. It's going to stop me out. Maybe. It sure looks like it's going to stop me out. Come on, come back up for me. Nope, there we go. Wow. How unlucky can you get? Lacy. All kind of quiet today. It's time to wake up, everybody. Market continues to drop down. We are at a new low a day for NQ, I believe for ES as well. Yeah, ES is touching low a day, so is the Dow. Long and gold. Gold. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, look at that beautiful. This candle right here. Baby. That would have been beautiful. Actually, I've had two beautiful candles. This one right here, this purple candle for this move down, and then this green candle back up. What's crude doing? Crude's still hanging at its highs. Natural gas has just been, excuse the pun, exploding. Purple candle there on NQ we're at. Kind of overextended, so I get a little bit antsy here. Big move down. Oh, wow. I should have went long with going gold with Kevin. That's a huge breakout there. That's a 5-point candle. More now. Go, go, go. Wow. Pulls back some there, but got up to 2048.6. Great, great, great trade there, Kevin. Great call. Silver also popped. Silver and gold. All the metals seem to pop. Even that one I can't pronounce. Blue candle here. We're going to try that bounce play again. Yeah, sleep is for the weak, right, John? Yeah, I guess maybe I should have. That blue candle bounce did not work out the way I'd hoped. So it hasn't killed me yet. I'm not going to get lucky. I never get lucky. In any sense of that word. There we go. Stopped out. Continuing to push down. Free falling. Look at that just come down. So looking at 5-minute chart, this nice blue candle here when I wasn't awake yet would have been a nice move up. It's kind of, this purple candle kind of would have been a trigger, but not really, but obviously it would have worked. Nice, John. Excellent. Everybody's smarter than me as I tried to go long. Down to 16,666. We're playing with the devil. ES down to 47.75. So we're going to see a massive downtrend today, or what do you think? Are we going to reverse at the open in 45 minutes? For you prop traders out there, there's a new static drawdown account coming out. I'll be announcing it top of the hour because that's what gets released. It's coming from My Funded Futures, and it's probably the best static drawdown account in the future space now, in my opinion. Down to 660. Possible reverse there. Waiting for, does a interesting green candle. I'm going long. How late did I get in there? About 1.5 points. If you get to within a tick of my first target again and pull back, I'm going to be upset. I'm going to think someone has something against me. Oh, well, that time I got 2 ticks from my first target. Wow, really? Come on. Head back up. Head back. Come on. Up, up, up. You're showing a green candle on the 5 too, so I like that. Come on. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. Back to my entry. Hey, RJ. How was your weekend? I now got within a tick of my target again. You think I think I'm cursed. I really do. Yep, I'm holding. Please hold for the next available price action. Okay, target 1 hit. What happened yesterday, RJ? Like Windows declared that you needed a password? Uh, did it do some sort of any Windows update before it did that? And if so, have you try getting in through safe mode and seeing if you can go back to a restore point? There we go. Second target hit. So that's a $300 trade. 5 points on one contract, 10 points on another. Yeah, that's interesting. I never had that happen. Just out of the blue. Wow, it went one more tick from after my target and then pulled back. Okay, I'll take that as an apology for that stop out after getting within 1 tick of my target earlier. My Windows, I don't even have a password. I have a 4-digit PIN. Is this Windows 10 or Windows 11, RJ? Ah, I'm still on 10. I've heard bad things about 11, so it's now okay. There we go. Now it's trying to continue up. So at this point, I will stick with Windows 10 until like it gets to the point that they force me to upgrade. $5 minutes to the top of the hour. Heck, I might still be on Windows XP if they never force me to upgrade. Candle is all wick, no body. Let's see what everything else is doing. Crude. Ooh, big pullback there on crude. Huge pullback. That would be nice to catch. Ultra Bond, nice move up. JC catching any of that Ultra Bond. Gold did that pullback, but still trying to head up now. Copper pulling back. Bitcoin trying to reclaim 47,000. So RJ, real quickly here, I did a quick search. This seems to be an issue with Windows 11. I'm seeing on Google a lot of people is coming up a bunch. So my funded futures is, I believe it's right now going live. I guess I should check that to make sure. They said 9, so I'm assuming that's 8 my time. Let me just check their Discord. Oh, they actually launched it earlier. Great. They say 9, but they launched it 2 hours ago. Anywho, so fine. Real quickly, as the market moves up, maybe I should wait here. Nice move up here. blue candle on the 5. Pulls back a bit. Okay, so let me bring this up. Let me get my software. My funded futures has launched a static drawdown account, and this is probably the best static account in futures now. So static, of course, the drawdown does not trail at all. Stays there. You start off with a 1500 drawdown, and it never moves. Doesn't follow you at all. No end of day, no intraday. Just stays there. $2,100 profit target on the evaluation. You can trade up to 2-minute minis or 20 micros. Like I said, static. No activation fee on this. No scaling plan. No consistency rule. Minimum payouts $1,000. You can get up to $3,000 every 14 days, and then it's uncapped after 60 days. There's no daily loss limit. This has very few rules, almost no rules. And like I said, static drawdown. So you don't have to worry about your drawdown trailing you, which is, as close to a real brokerage account type account as you can get. I really like static accounts. That way you're not worried about where your drawdown is. You just know it because it's never going to move. So this is $150 a month, which for the eval. Code static. We'll put that. I should put that in the video description. But this is in my opinion, an excellent account type. And like I said, other people, other companies, have static accounts, but I think this one's the best, especially for that price point. So if you're interested in a static account, I haven't really promoted my funded futures too much, but they are starting to do some interesting things, and we'll see how it, see if they continue that. But definitely, if you're interested in a static drawdown account, I would recommend this one. And they just launched it. It was supposed to be launched at 9 Eastern, but apparently they decided to launch it a couple hours ago. They do offer Tradovate Trading View. Do they allow algos? Good question. I gotta find out. I think as long as it's not high frequency, but let me see if I have. Let me see if I can find that answer. Pull back a little bit. Yes, they have both Ninja and Tradovate. Let me look here. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Yep, no news. So I'm here not looking at the chart at all, but it's not really doing anything either. So I'm trying to figure this algo thing. Let me see here. Looks like they do not allow algos. Yeah, no automated trading. They do not allow algos, John. Sorry. Hey, Jake. You're here early. Blue candle here going up. Going to take this long if it holds. And we're in, like Flynn, as they say. No one really says that, but you know. What's lot your trade? And how did that work out for you, Crypticon? I hesitate to do that type of thing with I mean, there's nothing wrong with doing that, you know, if you have your stop in place. But the only thing with Apex is the whole constantly trailing drawdown that can screw you up if it decides to go like X amount and then pull back. Okay, first target hit here. We're moving our stop up to break even on the other. See a tick above break even. Excellent, Crypt. That's wonderful. Oh, pulling back here. Hit that upper band. So you decided to get back in the trading game, huh, Crypt? So how's your morning, Jake? Do you trade in the morning or? Yeah, I know you. That's right. You do swing trade. That's right. So I guess yeah. I knew that. I just wasn't thinking. We are less than 20 minutes till the bell. Oh, really? Looks like we're gonna pull back. Maybe not. It's kind of consolidating here at 16,676. Which way does it want to go? Which way? Looks like down is the way. Coming down, down, down. Makes sense, script. Wow. Ouch. Come on, push up just a little bit. Well, listen to me. Market's not supposed to listen. Put our stop behind that last blue candle there. We are 15 minutes from the bell. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. If you feel like it, I'll appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Looks like we're about to get stopped. Yeah, me. It's teasing me. There we go. Okay, so ended up being a $170 trade. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. 5 points on one, 3.5 on the other. Should have. I mean, I could have taken. Yeah, it's a nice movement this morning. Uh, Purple candle there, but I don't want it. I should have won at the purple candle. Looks like that's a 5-pointer. I used 2 contracts. I got out with 5 points on one, and then I tried for 10 on the other. I pulled back, and I got out with 4 points. Morning, Ace. How you doing? That's irony that you spell grammar wrong. Excellent, excellent, excellent. $10 to the bell. Ace, RJ's back. He was here earlier. He's having major computer problems. They had to go to his backup computer because his good computer locked him out. Rage against the machine. We're coming up on the bell. Ace, could you believe that all-day trend yesterday?
Pushing up a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Dow, the nice little blue candle sticking up there. Crude bouncing a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, nice move there on Ultra Bond. Up, up, up. Pulling back a little bit there. Gold, kind of sideways since that nice move up. Copper, falling, falling, falling. All right, good luck there, Ace. Ooh, a big purple candle there enticing me to go short as well. 5 minutes till the bell. Ooh, glad I did not. Whips back up by 5. That trade didn't work, Ace. Blue candle bouncing up. Seems like it normally does, Ace. Today, I don't know. Maybe your guy at the CME is taking a vacation day. Maybe he's sick at home. We're popping up big time here now, right before the bell. Maybe he's locked out of his computer too.
as it says, less than 2 minutes. Less than 1 minute to go now. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, quick move down right before the bell. Ding 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 ding. Pops up. About 11, 12. Band the band on this candle. Oh, quick rise. Rising up. Rising up to be counted. Wow, 22 points all the way up. I should have taken the blue candle, but after it pulled back that much, I was kind of hesitant. ES not really following that same thing that NQ's doing. ES is looking kind of depressed, whereas NQ's blowing up. Dow looks depressed as well. Continuing up. So look at that. We're up 34 points so far since the open. Back above 700. There's a pullback. Yeah, ES is real choppy. And Q just was to continue rising up. Blue candle. Yes, just stuck there, and the Dow's down 52 points. Long and Q. That's not looking good. Whoa. Wait, what? Oh man, I went two contracts. I only went at one. No wonder. That's gonna hurt. Yep. Ouch, that hurt. Nice, Ace. So I think he decided to pull back as he has popped up. Big pullback. Wow. Giving it almost all, well, giving it about half back. Bouncing on the EMAs. We got some green showing there on the Dow as well. Long, one contract. Doesn't look like it wants to pop back up like I thought. So this is going to be a day nothing's going to go right. There we go. Stopped out. I'm going to switch over to our Blue Sky account. Ah. Gotta go reactivate trading view for some reason. What? Really? That's odd. I can't activate trading view. Okay. I'll have to work on that later. Okay. We'll work on that later. How's everyone else doing? Pulls down. Buying up. Market all of a sudden kind of looks like let's come back down. And now it's trying to pop back up with a blue candle. Long. ATR is 11, so we're going for 10. And there we go. Target hit off that blue candle. Yep, pushing back down real quick. Purple candle. Ow. Wow, that was real quick. And now it gave back all that opening candle and continuing down. ES also heading down. Everyone's really quiet. How are we all doing out there? Only 12 people here. Wait for. There's a possible band bounce, but it ended up being a slightly red candle, so we'll wait. All right, RJ's looking for 650. Purple candle. Purple candle in the wind. We'll take the short. Gonna go to the wider target. Down to 655. Or 657. Oh, bounced off the band though. I might have burned myself there. Did go my 10 points that I would have originally been looking for. Let's see what happens. See if it can get me to 15. Stops at the top of that purple candle's wick. Ouch. So it got down to 62 and then bounced. Stopped me out. ES down to 47.70. Dow down to 30. I'm sorry, yeah, 37.639. You know, RJ, I was looking at some data last night. I was shocked to see that last year the Russell did more volume than the Dow did. RTY had like 52 million contracts traded, and the Dow only had like 42 million, 44 million, something like that. It was a significant difference. Yeah, I was shocked. UB actually had more volume than both of them. Yeah, here, I can even show you. Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond, 67.3 million contracts traded. RTY, 52.75 million contracts traded. YM, 40.51 million contracts traded. Blue candle here bouncing, possibly. I need to see it get through those EMAs. I'm actually planning on doing a video on the top 10 most traded futures in 2023. And here would be the other shock, or at least it surprised me. And I'm not going to say what number one was, but number one was not ES. You'll have to watch the video when I do it to find out what number one was. Wow, so that blue candle's not working either. We're really choppy now, it looks like. See if it comes back up for me. It's playing with those bands. Nope. Down she comes. We're gonna get stopped out here. So that blue candle pop was a fake out. Boop, boop, boop. It's a tricky day. Now it looks like it's trying to move up. We're still kind of rangy right here. See if anything else is having fun. Wow, crude really dumped down. Ultra Bron continuing to go. Gold pulling back. Copper new low day. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture is not having a fun day, it looks like. Except for hogs. Hogs are having a good day. Now we're popping up. Nice of it to stop me out and then go. My own fault. Technically, my strategy is to put the stop at the wick, the very bottom of the wick, and it would not have stopped me out there. But instead, I put it at the body. Actually, I'm not even sure where I put it. No, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, I did. I put it at the body. It stopped me out on this candle and then went back up. And continuing up, trying to break through 16,700. And it does. Top of the hour coming up. Anyone that's trading later into the day, at noon, we have a Fed speaker. Continuing up, 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 up. That's probably annoying. So, yeah, this is the 5-minute chart. since the open. Up huge, gave it all back, and now it's trying to get it all back again. Pulls back a little bit there. A little bit more than a little bit. I should have taken that. That was a red candle coming out of the bands. Shot down, didn't shoot down 10 though, and now it's bouncing right back up. And try to blue candle me again there, but no go. How are we doing out there? Who's green? Besides Kermit the Frog. Pushing back down. Back under 700. ES 47.73. Dow 37.643. Pushing up again. Blue candle. Kind of floating there. Went away. Drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. So you can see here, these are my strats. And I just need to play them out and not get spooked. See here, this is purple, I'm sorry, red candle coming out of the vans. Green up here. Everything worked, everything points to it. We have an ATR 12. So set our target for 12 or even 15 and we would have got it. Boom, there. Back here, this one is partially because it went green like right at the last second. So I just didn't react fast enough to take this trade. But again, green candle coming up out of the bands. We're red on the RSI. So again, our ATR is about 12, and you can see we would have got the 12. Even here, now this is a huge candle, so where do you set your stop? That's one thing I struggle with. I could go with the ATR stop, which was at that point 10, and I think I would have got stopped out by this wick if I would have went for anything more than 10. Otherwise, I could have got 10 right on that first candle or second candle thereafter. But if I wanted to go, if I put the stop all the way back up here, then I need to go for a bigger target. Just going for a 10-point target with a 20-point stop is not good. And you can see I would have got that if I had done that. And one more. This was the opening candle. Blue candle had a big wick pullback and then continued to go. Obviously, we touched the vans, touched both sides of the vans, but ended up being a blue candle, so that wasn't good. I tried this blue candle, and that didn't work. And that was ill-advised. Speaking of blue candles. Now, this is a blue candle, but we were coming down, and we were below the signal line, so those are often fake outs. It's like a last attempt to continue, the reverse, and then Of course, this is probably going to go like 50 points now. Like I said, there it goes. So that blue candle that I thought was just gonna Now, the thing I missed on this, and this is I end up missing important pieces of information. And the thing I missed on this is it bounced off that 100 EMA. So, yeah, this should have been, yes, it should have taken it, and you can see it's already gone like 30 points. I miss that stuff sometimes, and that costs me. Hey, Philip. Trader Fox. Good morning. Are you new to the stream, or are you the Philip that used to be here just with a different name? Weird question, I know. I'm doing good. How are you? Okay, that's what I thought. I thought I recognized the avatar, but it's been a while, so it's like, glad to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. How are your holidays? Ah, out of the country, huh? I hope you enjoyed your travels. Very good, thank you. I was thinking about you actually just not too long ago. We were discussing that the Russell actually had more volume last year, more contracts traded than the Dow did. Russell had like 52 million contracts traded in 2023, and the Dow only had 40 million. It was a surprise. Kind of sideways here, so kind of staring at NQ. ES up to 47.78. Popping up. Continuing to rise here. Are we going to see a repeat of yesterday? What is the Russell doing? Ooh, Lean Hogs is having a good day. Russell. Rustling. Yeah, Russell's making the same, pretty much the same move as NQ. Still heading up. Ultrabound made a new high today, trying to pull back now. Gold still looking sad. Copper looking sad. Yeah, crude's trying to bounce. Up to 741. Oops. Um, I know from the Discord, Chef and Justin and those, they were using a VPS when they were testing out the algos we were trying in the past. They had no problems with it. Or I don't know why you would need it though. I mean, is he saying you need one that's like closer to the CME, or I mean? I mean, they're not real expensive if you want to try it. I mean, you could even like run experiments to see if it really is going to, give you better executions. But I, I'm I think the one that the Chef and Justin and them were using was like $10 a month. All right. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, okay. I mean, if you think it warrants that, expense, I don't know. I'm not sure which VPS that is that's closer to the exchange like that. If you, then yeah, go for it. I mean, I don't. There's nothing against it. Well, interesting. I'm curious, how much is that VPS that he's trying to get you to use? Still rising here. 16,746. Did I ever mention that I hate super trend days? Yeah, I mean, that's a little steep. I mean, uh, John, I mean, if you think it'll recoup the cost, it, it you know, it, it's probably not a financial that big of a financial issue, but yeah, uh, it's for his algo. Virtual private server. I forgot, Ace. You're not a techie. Basically, it's as a computer that's nearer to the exchange. I, you know, because there's less distance to the exchange, it can be better executions theoretically. John, I mean, this guy's insisting that much, and it's going to be a problem. I mean, and he's writing the algo. You might want to just do it for a month, compare and see if it's worth it, and then once you have the algo, drop it if you don't feel it's worth it. I mean, Ace, in theory, it can mean better executions. In theory, I just don't know if it's really that big of a deal. I mean, if I can understand if it was a high frequency algorithm, like you were taking hundreds of trades a day or whatever, but I'm not sure it matters much with this your type of algo. But it sounds like he's going to be insistent on it, so you might want to just give in and then drop it if you feel you don't need it once you have the algo in your hands. Ace, anything you don't understand is a scam. So are women a scam? Because no man understands women. Yeah, I'm curious to see what he says if you find a cheaper one. I bet you he finds a way to say, yeah, it's not going to be as good. Oh, why is that, John? And where did you find this person to write this algo? Pulling back here. Purple candle on the 5. Didn't really give me a signal on the 1, but the 5 is. We'll see how it goes. Pulls back by 24. Quick pullback. Whoosh on down. Whoosh on down. John, if he asks for the combination to the bank vault, then you should really be watching yourself. Cost rising every day. Yeah, that's a red flag. I have no idea how bank vaults even open. I don't even know if it is a combination. Could just be a key, I guess. I like this red candle coming down here, I think. Let's see how it does. Ah, okay. As soon as I went short there, it popped up. Not my day. Oh, come on back down. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Target hit. 10 points. So we are less than 30 minutes away to the end of the stream. Islands in the stream. Oh, sorry. Trying to pop back up. Don't like that's way below the signal line. I think we have more to come down yet. Yeah, it was a nice pop back up. Market's not like it was yesterday where it was all one direction. It is up and down. So back up, back up, back up, back up, NATE. Oh, sorry. Have a great day, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, RJ kind of disappeared. It stopped with camel time. So nice bounce, right back up. And you can see if I take this long here, it's already gone over 10 points. I don't think that one's EZ's fault, though. It seems to be a Windows issue. Blue candle. Strong candle. 9 points, 10 points. I hate it when they get too big. That's what she said. Or long. Surprised nobody has chimed in to tell you to get a Mac or a Linux. This doesn't seem to want to go for me either. Yeah, I'm a bit confused what all that was from RJ as well. Actually, it's part of the. I think part of the problem is he's running the most recent version of Windows, Windows 11. It seems to be from my quick Google search, it seems to be an issue with Windows 11. And I liked Windows 7. Popping up, back up to my entry. Another blue candle. Boom. Stop up. I'm still in a trade, Ace. I entered it like 5 minutes ago. Looks like it's going to come back now. I can see clearly now. The trade is bad. That seems a little harsh. Dynamite or C4? You need to buy a laptop just for my stream. Got a good stop dot. So there we go. That'll probably be our last trade of the day. We'll see. I'm giving it all she's got, Captain. Crude, still on the downside. Ultra bond. Big old purple candle down. Now see? That would have been a nice trigger right there. Stopped out the ace. Gold heading down. Copper, new low a D. D. No idea why I said it like that. D. We got a bouncing agriculture. Yeah, I was in the green for a bit, but it didn't want to stay green. It's not easy being green. Ah, it's no biggie. Now it's heading back up for me. Because, of course, well, pop back up, pop back down. Have a great day, Ace. We shall see you tomorrow for more fun and excitement in the futures market. Choppy on a slight uptrend. So you can see it did regain most of what it lost in Europe. Still has a ways to go before it gets up to the highs of the overnight or of Asia, really. But It's definitely trending that way. And it's very choppy though. Up, pulls back, up, pulls back, up, pulls back. Swing your partner do-si-do. Pulling back. And down she comes. Down goes NQ. And an interesting bounce there. So it looks like this is where we're going to finish our day. We have a couple more minutes. I don't see us getting into the trade. This was a weird day. Just trying to look to see. I pointed out earlier, I should have taken this one and this one. This blue candle worked. This blue candle worked. This one kind of didn't. This one definitely did not work for my strat there. This would have worked. Tries to pop again. So I want to thank everyone for being here today. We'll be back tomorrow for 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, second stream tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So 2 streams tomorrow. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bye.
If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.